Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your CapCut PC and drag and drop the data or file or video in which you want to remove your green screen. Just like for example, here is a video and I want to remove the green screen from the laptop. So for removing it, I will just click on this video. Then I will go into video section and I will click on remove VG. And for removing this green screen, I will click on chroma key. Then I will click on color picker. And after that, just click on it. And you guys can set up the intensity according to you. As you guys can see, the whole green screen has been removed, and that's how you guys can easily remove the green screen in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.